Welcome to our culinary adventure. Today, we're diving into the world of meal prep with a focus on weight loss, where you can streamline your cooking routine while making delicious, nutritious choices that support your health goals. Meal prep is a fantastic way to stay on track with your weight loss journey by ensuring you have balanced, portion-controlled meals ready to go throughout the week. The concept involves preparing and organizing meals ahead of time to save both effort and calories. Start by planning your meals for the week, focusing on a balance of lean proteins, whole grains, and a variety of colorful vegetables to keep your meals satisfying and nutrient-dense. One excellent meal prep idea is to create a batch of grilled chicken breast, which can be used in salads, wraps, or served with steamed veggies. For a versatile grain base, prepare a large portion of quinoa or brown rice, which can be mixed with different ingredients for varied meals. Incorporate a range of vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots, either roasted or sautéed with herbs and spices for flavor without excess calories. Another great option is making a big batch of vegetable soup or chili, packed with fiber-rich beans and lean meats. Divide these into individual servings for easy, grab-and-go lunches or dinners. To keep your snacks healthy and under control, prepare individual portions of Greek yogurt, which can be topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch and protein. Hard-boiled eggs are another excellent snack choice, offering a quick source of protein and nutrients. When it comes to breakfast, consider preparing overnight oats or chia pudding, which can be customized with fruits, nuts, and seeds for a filling, balanced start to your day. Portion control is key in meal prep for weight loss, so using meal prep containers with dividers can help ensure you're sticking to recommended serving sizes. Don't forget to include a variety of herbs and spices in your meals to keep things interesting and flavorful without relying on excessive salt or unhealthy fats. Make sure to store your prepared meals in airtight containers to maintain freshness throughout the week. Additionally, making a grocery list based on your meal plan can help you avoid impulse purchases and stick to healthier options. Remember, the goal of meal prep is not just to make your life easier, but also to support your weight loss goals by keeping you mindful of your food choices and portion sizes. Fun fact: meal prepping can save you time and money, reduce food waste, and help you maintain healthier eating habits over the long term. By dedicating a few hours each week to preparing your meals, you're setting yourself up for success in your weight loss journey and ensuring that you always have nutritious options at your fingertips. Consider incorporating lean fish like salmon or tuna into your meal prep routine for their heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. For vegetarians or those looking to reduce meat consumption, experiment with plant-based protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, or tofu in your meal preps. Don't forget to stay hydrated by preparing infused water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing, calorie-free beverage option. To add variety to your meals, try exploring international cuisines and incorporating new spices and herbs into your preparations. Remember that meal prep doesn't have to be boring. Get creative with your combinations and presentation to keep yourself excited about your meals. Lastly, be patient with yourself as you adapt to this new routine. It may take a few weeks to find the meal prep strategies that work best for you and your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this meal prep adventure and for your commitment to healthier living. Welcome to our culinary adventure. Today, We're diving into the world of meal prep with a focus on weight loss.